What's up, everybody? Let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial. So the first thing you're going to do is flip your mirror over, and then you're going to place your candlestick holder over top of that, and you're going to make an outline. Next, what you're going to do is where your outline is, you're going to place your glue. And I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. And then you're going to take your candlestick holder and then you're going to place it in that glue. And you want to apply just a little bit of pressure to make sure that that glue adheres. Okay, let's go ahead and flip it over and start on the next layer. What I did was used a ruler, and that was just a guide for me to kind of see where I wanted to place the next candlestick. So get it in line. And then let's glue that candlestick. Place it down and make sure you apply a little bit of pressure just to get it to here. Okay, and I'm just cleaning up the excess glue. You want to make sure you don't skip this step, and it's just to make sure everything is nice and clean. So here we are with the next layer. And I'm just placing it on there to see exactly how I want to place it. Go ahead and glue. Place that mirror on top and again apply pressure. This is a 3-layer cupcake stand, so this is the final layer, and all you have to do is just repeat the process. So now I'm going to start with the 2 outside layers of the cupcake stand, and what I used is 2 viol candlestick holders. I hope I'm saying that right. If I'm not, forgive me. But what I did was the same process. I just glued the underside of the candlestick holder and placed the mirror on top and applied pressure. And I did this 2 separate times, so I had 2 different stands. And you'll see the final look in a little bit. Now it's time to bling it out. So what I did was I measured the bling roll to the mirror and then I cut. So after I cut, I took my glue and I applied it to the side of the mirror, and I waited 3 to 5 seconds to allow the glue to get tacky. Once it got tacky, I went ahead and applied the mesh roll or the bling roll, and I pressed down lightly to get it to adhere. And I made sure I just kind of pressed down. You see me kind of tapping and sliding my finger down just to make sure it's aligned with the mirror. And I just continued this process on each layer on every side all the way to the top. And I also did the same on the individual sides that I did. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up. All right, and here's the finished product. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you try it yourself. I want to check yours out and see what you guys come up with. I'm sure it's going to be fantastic. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And once again, thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to hit that notification button. See you next time.